I have reviewed a few security cameras from Anran and I've been happy with them, so much so that I have a dedicated playlist with Anran security cameras. I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to watch them reviews. So when Anran reached out and asked if I wanted to check out the Anran C3 4 megapixel wireless solar powered security camera kit, I accepted. And as their products are really good, they did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. Before we start, I must mention with Black Friday coming up, this kit will be on sale along with other Anran products. If you want to pick this up, click the first link in the description box below. Some specifications there. Some information on this side. Simple to set up, phone remote anywhere, view in HD picture, weatherproof IP66 rated, day-night monitoring. That's the home base and the two cameras. This is everything that was included inside the box. I have the 2 camera kit here. You can also get a 4 camera kit. If you find this video useful, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. 24-hour sticker, 2 mounting guides for the cameras, well-written instruction booklet with some QR codes, mounting hardware for each camera, Type A to Type C charge cable, adapter for the home base, has some information there, 3-pin one because I'm in the UK, Ethernet cable, the home base. So this does need to be plugged into your router. Some branding there, we have sync there, reset, net, that will tell you when you're connected to the internet and how many cameras you have connected, 1, 2, 3 or 4. As I mentioned, I have 2, you can get 4. A QR code here and an information sticker. At the back we have a speaker, USB-C power port, that's where the Ethernet cable would go. So one end of this cable would go to the back of your router, any port that says LAN, and the other end would go in here. Micro SD card slot. This does come with a 64 GB micro SD card. Maximum you can use in here is 256 GB and you do have option for cloud storage. Of course you've got to pay for that. That's what it looks like from the bottom. That's what it looks like from the top. It's a nice little size this. Both the cameras are exactly the same. We'll just have a look at one. That's the base bracket. So you can remove this, mount this first and then put the camera on and just twist the camera on. I'm twisting the base because of course it's not mounted at the moment. And then you could get this into different angles. Solar panel at the top, some branding on this side, branding on this side. When you lift this flap up, we have a reset, USB-C charging port, power on off, and a micro SD card slot. I'm not sure as to why there is a micro SD card slot here because these 2 cameras link to the base station and the base station has its own storage. The bottom speaker, 3.6mm lens, 2K image quality as mentioned before, microphone, status indicator light, charging light, PIR motion sensor, 4 LED infrared/night vision lights. Let's make a start at setting this system up. You could see in the instruction booklet we have a QR code here for App Store and Google Play. We need the ARCCTV app. I have already downloaded the app. I'm using an Android. The first thing, we need to give some power to the base. To show you the back of my router here, the LAN port, I have the red Ethernet cable in there, and the other end of the red Ethernet cable I'm going to insert it into the back of this base. Let's open the ARCCTV app. Add camera. Need to open the location permission. Okay, I need to give it location permission, allow only while using the app. Let's turn Bluetooth on.
No nearby devices were found. Please click on Scan below and scan the QR code on the device body to add the device. After the device is powered on and you hear a
option for cloud storage. I will skip this for now. Okay, we are connected, but it's saying offline because I haven't added any cameras yet. That were really simple. Let's add a camera now. Let's go to add.
automatically searching for nearby devices.
And there we go, it has linked to the base station. can see there on the screen. The second camera has come on now. So we just wait and the second camera will come up there. The second camera has come up as well straight away. It's bought these 4 little arrows, but they're not for this camera. They also do another model that's PTZ, so you can pan, tilt and zoom on them. So these 2 cameras were pre-synced from the factory. If you were to add another device, you'd go to add device and then you just scan the QR code and it will link it to your base station. Anran have got this thing worked out really well. It does add devices really quickly. You could see each device on the left hand side. It's giving us some information there, day and time. I think it's too small to read, but you could see the battery indicators there. It's letting us know that we have good Wi-Fi because obviously they're right next to the home base. Okay, so we have definition here, standard definition or HD. This depends on how good your internet is. The one next to that, that's how many cameras you have. I have 2, so we'll leave it as it is. Speaker, that's muted at the moment. I'm going to leave it muted. We can take a picture and we can start recording. The picture and the recording will get saved into the phone gallery, and the one next to that, that will flip the image around. Cloud storage here. Event, speaker, because this has 2-way audio, you need to give it permission first. Album, so if you do have any recordings, it will get saved within here. More. Siren, let's have a listen to the siren. And remember, you can control the volume as well within settings. Infrared light, or we could go full color night vision. So the little gear cog there, if you click on this, we get more settings here. We have motion detection. Push message settings. Recording settings. Screen and sound settings. If you add this here, you can drag this out just by dragging it with your fingers. So say the camera is pointed towards your neighbor's garden and you don't want to get notified when anything happens around there. You could press save here. That will get saved now. So anything that happens within that area, you will not get notified. Storage settings, local storage, download local files, advanced settings, signal strength strong, which is the internet. About this device, share device and help and chat. You could delete the device as well. But it says office. Across there you could see them 3 dots. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on settings. This will give us settings for the base station. So we could have the base station alarm synced with the camera. Storage settings. We could download the videos from the camera as well directly to our phone gallery. Format SD card. It's very important you do that. Time settings, you can set up a password, configure Wi-Fi settings. It even works with Alexa. About the device. So here it's letting us know we only have device 1 and 2. Okay, I'll show you some daytime and nighttime footage now. As I mentioned in all my video reviews, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing, because when I upload it to the internet, they compress the file. Let me know what you think of the image quality. There you go, my friends. That was the Anran C3 Max 4 megapixel wireless Wi-Fi security system. In my opinion, I think it's another great piece of kit from the manufacturers, as you can add 2 more cameras to this, or you could actually buy it with 4 cameras. You get 4 cameras you put around your property. If you live in a warm country, you do not need to worry about charging them. You don't need any cables. You can just leave the cameras up. The sun will power the cameras. The home base stays inside, memory card is inside, so if anyone does take the camera, you do not need to worry about losing your footage. You also have the option of cloud storage as well. That is more secure. Really nice app, simple to use, responsive. It sends you notifications really quickly. Motion detection works really well on these cameras as well. If you're after a set of security cameras, I could recommend these. And as mentioned before, they will be included in the holiday sales. So check the first link out in the description box below. If you found the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.